What's up guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a fluffy rice every time and always you make it. So today I got a small rice cooker and one full cup of rice, one mug full of rice. So this has been washed and soaked in the water for 15 minutes. It's a must that you need to wash the rice because you have to get rid of the excess starch that is in the rice, because when you wash the rice, because that sticks the rice together, it doesn't let the rice to be fluffy. So always the golden rule is wash the rice, soak it for 15 minutes. I got long grain basmati rice, so one full mug of rice and 2 cups of water. So it's ratio is 1 to 2, 1 mug of rice, 2 mugs of water. Just put inside the rice cooker all the rice and pour in 2 mugs full of water. Now I'm going to give it a mix. The secret to salt the water is most of them are confused of how to salt the water, but the secret to salt the water is put enough salt, maybe about 2 teaspoons of salt, and just try to taste it. When you taste it, the water has to be lightly salty, not too much, lightly salty. If the water is lightly salty, you can feel it, taste it in your tongue, which is an indication that your rice is going to be seasoned well with salt. So it's all good. So that's a tip when you're salting the rice. So I'm going to turn on the rice cooker and cover it. Let's give it for about 7 to 10 minutes and I'll show you how the rice looks like. Rice is done. Check the rice out. I got a fork. Look at that. So I'm gonna fluff the rice. You see that one? It doesn't stick to each other.